RTC, interesting. I like this, but yeah, I like this a lot. The stop loss is 1.3% away. The bar is entering the channel. We have the 100 MA touching with the 200 MA. Let me show you. Let's make it this a bit bigger, and this too. Okay, this 200, 100, they're connecting inside the channel. I think this one is going to touch here, and then we are going to see something going there, you know. I hate this. So let's play with some targets. Let's see. Okay, I should be using this one. It's my target one. My target two. I think this it has some potential. So let's use this as target 3. Like this. Yes, mark today. I'm going to open a trade in Bitmex when I finish this bit and see what happened.
Please forgive